Hello, RobotsBlog viewers. I am here with Sebastian. My name is Albert, and I am the founder of a company called Circuit Mess. It stands for Circuit, which is electronic circuits. That's what we do, and Mess because we are in a big mess. Just kidding. What we do is we're connecting education, something that kids dislike, with electronics coding in a fun way by allowing them to make their own game consoles, make their own Tamagotchis, build their own robots, Bluetooth speakers, RC controlled cars, lots of interesting stuff. I actually founded this business when I was just 18 years old because I was so bored at school. They would only give me textbooks and I wanted to make a change. I started with a Kickstarter for a game console called Maker Arduino, and then I was building this company from scratch. Now we have more than 40 employees. All of this is made in the EU and we develop all of the stuff in-house. I designed the first two projects, but now I only do boring Excel spreadsheets, but still I have some time to go to these shows and then talk to people like Sebastian. If you like it, please check it on circuitness.com. Thank you so much.